Look inside these rooms of ours.
These walls tell stories, tales of stars.
And love and loss and fear and peace. Take a peek and feel release.
These halls are full of hearts and minds.
Come in. Who knows what you might find?
Perhaps you'll see yourself reflected in portraits carefully collected.
Or stand where other people stood.
Or see the world how others could
Have done so many years ago.
Think how much more there is to know.
Make your way across the park.
Where nature leaves its urban mark.
Or cross the streets, leave in your wake what weighs you down or makes hearts break.
Here are things that souls created.
Here are things from travels fated.
Here are places people thrived.
Come in and follow us inside.
Be with others, be alone.
Turn off your screen, switch off your phone, tread carefully, and come this way.
To while away an hour or day.
Let imagination wander free.
And lose yourself in what you see.
Seek some solace and take heart from our culture, past, ideas and art.
Come inside and see the world. Spark senses, feel yourself unfurl.
Step into our rooms from your own.
And give your mind the space to roam.